Hey everybody, Roy here. You know, tonight I'm invited to a wonderful book signing, which is cool. And I showed up, and Nathan and Lola are here, and I really don't know where I'm at. They've created something very spectacular, and I want them to share with you what's happening here in Chicago.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We are in Chicago's Logan Square neighborhood. We are opening a new space. It's at the beginning of something. It's called Construct 10, Planting the Seed. We're revealing the new identity tonight. It's called Nuluum,
Wow.
which means new light. And we just feel like it's a really important time on the planet for us to have a shift in perspective and to look for something new, to really bring in the growth that is needed among humanity and on this earth. So
Nuluum is about plant growth plus people growth. So we invite you to come and check us out.
Wow,
yeah, so
that's
stay
super.
tuned.
So, and you purchased a place that actually was plant driven in a different way, and you're creating something totally new with a plant driven past into a plant driven future.
Yeah, it was an old landscaping yard, and Nathan is a devoted student of you, Roy, and as a landscape designer, really wanted to have a physical space to share plant life with people. We have lots of beautiful Roy Diblik stuff here that we're sharing with people today, and
Cool.
yeah. What do you love most about this plant, Roy?
Well, I like Cecilarial malus because it's so forgiving. It can go sun to shade, average to dry soil, and then in a simple way, it supports other plants. You know, the personality of other plants in a very simple way, and that's kind of enjoyable. And I have to say, yeah, Nathan's gone in a million beautiful directions since I met him. Really taken off and done so many wonderful things in urban gardening.
Yeah, I think we met in 2005. It was
Wow.
Chicago's City in a Garden.
That's right, right. That's like last week, but it's 16 years ago.
Yeah.
And what do you love and appreciate most about that man?
Well, Roy, you were the reason why I committed myself to learning plants and studying landscape architecture. I was an architect before that, and I think it was just your calm demeanor that I really enjoyed. And
Oh, you're too nice.
yeah, so I thought you just seemed so happy and peaceful, and I just wanted to live a creative life that allowed me that kind of peace and freedom.
Well, you're both moving in like a special direction, I have to say. It's very cool. Well, thanks for your time at this big event.
Yeah,
This is
thanks
great.
for you being you, Roy.
Well, we're all sharing this together. Bye, everybody.